everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make face mask. Do you like it? Now let's get started. The materials are fabric, upholstery, scissors, elastic, thread and needle, safety pin, clip, straight pin, ruler, marker, and paper. The first step, you take a paper and you need the length of 28 and the width of 21 centimeter. You fold in half and you fold again in half. There is 4. Okay, and now you take 5.5 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter. And you connect. This one. And you cut the line. Okay, and you open the pattern. So this is the pattern. You copy the pattern on the fabric and on the upholstery. Only one piece. This is the fabric and upholstery. You skewer with a straight pin and you start sewing from here and give the space here. It's about 7 centimeter. Start from here, keep around until here. Okay, so do not sew. After you sewing, you turn the fabric inside out like this. And you start sewing again from here. You keep sewing until here. Okay, and you fold. It's about 6.5 centimeter and you start sewing from here to the next corner. Okay, and the other side you fold. It's about 6.5 centimeter, and you start sewing from this corner to the next corner. So you can see you have two lines. Okay. And then this one you fold. So from here, from this corner to the next corner. Do the same process the other side. Okay, so from this corner to the next corner, and this one. Prepare the elastic, the length of 21 centimeter. You can insert the safety pin or the other tool. You insert through the fabric like this, or you insert this tool and you tie. Okay, do the same process. You fold, you sew here and insert the elastic, and you can see the face mask has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.